Hey guys, what is up today? We're going to talk about how to sell yourself on the internet and how do you make money online. There are multiple ways you can make money through social media. I have 2 apps, actually more like 3 apps. I have 3 apps that you could get paid instantly. That you guys should definitely check out. And if you want to know how to get YouTube subscribers, check out, you can use Google Analytics and Google Ads as well. That's another one that you could possibly use. But the main one that you should definitely check out into, I know a lot of people are on Facebook a lot of times. A lot of people are on Facebook every day of their lives. So you should look into Facebook ads. Facebook ads is the best app that you could possibly look into. You can get over 1 billion YouTube subscribers. I'm just saying, you could get 1 billion YouTube subscribers. You could definitely check this out. If you're on a budget, like myself, I'm just saying, if you are on a budget, and you could easily work out the payment plan within Facebook that you want. Say you want 1,000 YouTube subscribers and you want the 4,000 watch time hours. As you know, that YouTube changes policy. You should check out Facebook ads. Facebook ads is the best way to use. I will have a link in the description. Well, it's only just Google it. I mean, just Facebook. If you have your own Facebook page, not your personal page, as a business page, you have to have a business page to be able to use Facebook ads to be able to promote yourself. So if you are out there wanting YouTube subscribers, definitely check this out. It's called Facebook ads. I actually tested it out yesterday, and I was like, wow, this is getting big. Yeah, I definitely tested this out yesterday, and I did it for 2 days, and I only spent like $8. $8, that's cheap. $8. I'm like, you could, just saying, you could put gas for $8. You know, whatever, I'm just saying. Definitely check that out. Check out Facebook ads. It will help you and your YouTube channel grow. So that is my way to how to sell yourself online. And if you are looking to make more money on the internet, whether if it's Twitter and Instagram, check out 3 apps that you should definitely check out. It's called 8. And then the other is called Tribe. Be wary with you. For Tribe, you have to have minimum followers to actually submit your campaign through whatever brand you're submitting to. So I'm just letting you guys know. Anyway, and then my 3rd app is called Collaborate. Again, I am not doing any sponsor video for this, so let me know in the comments below if this helps you, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more of these videos. I'm definitely going to do some of these videos. Yes, I will. So, yes.